Do you feel like you're on a flume ride? No, just kidding. Beautiful colors there, eh? Did you see the blue on that guy? You could literally see the different colors on him. Hello. Some of the smaller ones you can see are this year's brood, but some of them aren't used to hearing my voice quite so loud. Look at the colors on them. That's because I've been feeding them. They've been eating millet and cracked corn and peanuts and sunflower seeds. Aside from what they all scavenge on their own, get on their own, harass me. It's really giving their color some beauty to it, some real flash. See, the blue jays, they like to come first thing in the morning. I mean, well, it's not the first thing anymore. Anymore right now. It's like 7:30. But in my handy dandy raspy here, got me up at dawn, at the crack of dawn. But you did wait till it was actually just barely starting, didn't you, big guy? Didn't you, big boy? Been sitting here the whole time, Mr. Raspy. And back to any birds. I just wanted you to see he's sitting right here. And yes, he's been catching them. Watching them, not catching the show. But yeah, blue jays seem to really like first thing in the morning. I mean, they'll come in the afternoon too, but first thing in the morning is like their favorite time. And then very early in the morning, and then late afternoon, like 4 or 5, something like that. The doves come. Squirrels will come throughout the day. Morning, afternoon, doesn't matter. Speak of the doves. Long neck on you, little dove. Dang. Look at that neck. It looks like a squirrel's coming. Nope, that's a big old blue jay. Hello. There's about to be... I was gonna say, Raspy noticed. We just got them coming back to the window, you little brat. Just got him feeling safe from you. Okie dokie. So here comes either a big old blue jay or a squirrel. Blue jays. You can tell by the shaking of the bush. This is no real wind. Plus, as it loses its leaves, I know. I love that red shrub right there. But as it just becomes naked and leafless, you can see the shaking even more, and you're not deceived by wind. That is one thing without the leaves. Because with the wind, when it has leaves, of course it, moves and shakes. Because the leaves are shaking in the wind. But when it has no leaves, all that shaking is either blue jays usually, or if it's shaking a lot, it's probably a squirrel. See that? See how this neck doesn't appear that long. Oh. I've put a bunch of seed. I should see if they're on the ground. That's why maybe a lot of little birds are on the ground. The other day I got swamped with those European starlings, those black iridescent looking ones. Damn, they were filled with the sill. No lie. Nope, sorry guys. Damn, Judy, can't you even just hold a camera in one place? The answer to that is not always. And yes, if you've ever asked, those are tiles on the windowsill. And yes, I do have to re-secure them at times. But I like them there. Gives the cats a little, just a little extra inch of space. Oh, come on. Surprised I saw the squirrel once or twice already today, but I'm surprised. Here are the little ones. I wonder how much peanuts are left. He's been pretty steady at it. Told you. Them were up down there. Oh, I see them all coming in. Oh, don't move. She saw us. That was a fucking... Whoa. That was a choice photo, wasn't it? Holy crap, that was. Sit down, that was wild. That was wild. Wow. That was crazy. Alright, we're gonna stop it here. I'll pick it up again later. That was crazy with the squirrel.